Adventure today, and I can't stress adventure enough. We're probably wondering what the hell this is under me right here. We got a shovel, and we also got an entire backpack full of stuff. We also got the whole crew full of gear. We are going camping today, my friends. I want to showcase my buddy all suited up, ready to go. What about you? He's got some big contraption on the back. I'm not sure. Oh, aha. He's got something that goes boom boom in the throttle, baby, throttle. Scoot, man, scooting. Anyways, I'll tune in with you guys when we get there. It's gonna be about an hour and a half ride. I'm not gonna film the whole thing, so I'll see you when I get there. I'm gonna make a little pit stop. My bag's falling off. There you go, Babuki. There it is. Let's hope that doesn't happen again. Well, that was the thing. Let's see if the bag doesn't fall from here to there. A little bit of the quarter of the way there, and the bag is holding up just fine. We're going camping. I hope you guys brought toilet paper? Toilet paper? I have. What your bag was until right now?
Oh, the black thing?
Maybe we should help him out.
Right here.
Oh, that's how mine looks. This guy packed light, dude. You didn't pack that light?
I packed light too. I don't know if I should be.
Well, there you go. See if you can pick it up.
See if I can pick it up, or you hold this and see.
Let's see.
She can pick it up.
Oh my god.
Nice one. Thank you.
I picked it up.
I got it. I think I got it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That doesn't get aerodynamic. I was like, what are you doing?
Stock, here's the current situation. Can you hear that? That's the current situation. Not good. I'm kind of scared. I'm checking the weather app right now. Yeah. That is not good. It's not good. Update on the situation. It's raining pretty bad. It's looking a little bit wet today on this adventure. We're pulling under there. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I forgot. I don't even have the microphone connected. No idea how this sounds.
Not a scratch on it. I was hauling at and I'm riding it.
This?
I'm riding all of it, bro. Look at this chain cover. Look at the grass. I bent my lever.
We're here, and it's kind of not raining. It's time to hit the dirt road. Get some wheel peeling. You're next. Bro, did you see what he did to me? I can see that. Bro! Alright, so we're almost there. It's looking like this right now. It looks like it's raining back there, but up front, it looks like we're gonna be alright. My biggest fear is that it's gonna start raining at night. That's probably gonna be my biggest fear, I don't know yet. We're here at this spot right now. Probably gonna find one of these trees. Probably one of those trees is probably the best thing to take. Just look at this place. Pretty big thing. Oh, that my friends left me. They're over there. Still on the search for a suitable campsite. What about that? That's pretty wet, I think. Huh? That looks wet. Damn, you look wet. Oh, yep. I knew it. Oh God. Okay, we got ourselves a nice little spot right here by the lake. Got a little spot to set up a fire over there. We got everything, nice big long road to have as much fun as we want on it. And the craziness doesn't happen yet, but it will. Hole's mad. Hole's mad. Hole's mad. Mine's all set up already.
Shut up.
Exactly how safe this is. Ooh, spiders, webs. Spider webs. Yeah, we still need a wood and that's coming this way, which is bad.